Hi guys, it's me. We are at Pope Farm. We are at this farm called Pope Farm. It's a farm that the Popes rule. It's the only farm. It's at Mem and Pap's house. Ken and Cheryl are their real names. I call them Mem and Pap. This is the Pope Farm. And there was this calf named Lucky. We're going to feed her. We're going to feed him. His mama got separated from Lucky, so we're gonna feed him today. And I'm gonna introduce you to Pap. That makes the milk.
Okay, this is Pap. We got some milk. Go feed the calf. We had to mix milk out of powdered milk and some Pepto-Bismol, and we're gonna go feed the calf. Okay.
Okay, so that was the dude that mixed the milk. He's the farmer of this farm. We're all the farmers. Every kid in the whole Pope family's a farmer. All of them. Even I'm a farmer. We're going to feed the calf. I'm going to show you him. He's really cute.
Noah, what is this calf's name?
Lucky. And his mom got separated from him.
So he's going to die if he don't get some milk.
He'll die. If he dies, we won't have no more calves. So that's why we give him milk to let him survive. Please watch this video. Hit like and subscribe. And then we're gonna go feed Lucky.
I'll draw him off.
So we're going into the farm to feed Lucky. He's really cute. I haven't seen him before, so this is my first time.
Wait on me.
Lucky's in here.
Lucky's in here. Oh, Lucky's laying in there.
Hi, Lucky. Hi. Memaw, do the tail thing.
Get on in there.
So that's Lucky. I'm gonna feed Lucky.
What are you feeding him?
Milk.
All right, get up. Take it. Stick it in his
I'm gonna
mouth.
help with them. I'm gonna
Come on,
help.
Lucky. Eat, drink.
It's okay, Pedro.
It's really heavy. It's really heavy. Come on, Lucky. Drink.
He's lazy. He's gonna lay down and drink, ain't he?
It's lazy.
It's okay, Pedro.
You have to go.
I think maybe if you turn the bottle up,
Turn the back of it up a
let
little.
Pap show you.
Hang on. Let Megan do it. She's been wanting to turn all day.
I need that.
Now you can feed Lucky.
Yeah, get closer there, Meg.
You gotta get
Too
up.
far away.
And then
Wait.
I'm gonna feed him.
Come on, suck for me. Not sucking.
Where's the farmer dude at?
Right here. Right here's Lucky.
Looks like he's been up, Pat.
Hey, can I do it now, man?
Yes, you can. Come on, you help.
I'll do it by myself. Come on, Lucky. Don't want you to die, buddy.
You need some help? We got here, Dad. I get.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah, let
Here, let me.
Megan shut that door.
I think we can get Lucky up.
Oh, Lucky was
Here,
gonna
hold that a minute, big guy. Let me get him up.
Let's make Lucky get up.
Come on,
Get up, Lucky.
Get up there, old Lucky. Lucky duck. Come on.
Come on, Lucky.
So you gotta get his back with himself first.
Help.
Come on, get up there, Lucky.
Good job, Lucky.
Now stick
Now,
over.
Help.
You gotta hold it
hold it
high.
up. Hold it up because the milk won't come.
Hold back.
There you
Put your
go.
hands back here.
Because I can't really hold it. Only hold
Was
it.
it heavy?
Yeah, it's heavy. It's got tons of milk in there.
Instead of doing all these video clips, you got to pump some weights.
I did shut that door for you all. Thank God.
Lucky, you better eat while we got it here.
Why do you say that's Lucky?
Do you know what kind of calf he is?
No.
He's a black with a white face.
It's
White
okay.
face Hereford.
It's okay, Pedro.
Cat that's Lucky.
Yeah.
Megan, if you're gonna help feed Guy, hold the bottle.
I want to help
Won't
feed
hard
you.
to mix up. It's old. It's hard to mix it good.
I remember when we fed Hokey.
Yeah.
You help with me now. Oh, Lucky.
Lucky Luck.
Lucky needs a board replaced there, don't it?
Ooh, it's a lot warmer day.
Lucky.
Me and Megan are feeding Lucky. Come on, stay up, cow.
That was awful nice.
We're trying to keep him up so we can
You're
feed him.
lucky.
Big guy, don't do that to Luck.
He's a riding Lucky. Lucky may ride him, man.
Almost so many cows show. Almost so many cows show.
Come on, keep drinking. Come on, keep drinking, pal.
Might be a little too warm. I may get it.
Do you want? I think you drank all of it.
No.
No. I think I got with Lucky. Hi, Lucky. John. I think I got
How about his last name, John? And Lucky John Pope.
You got to eat more of that, don't you?
Yeah, doggy cow.
Megan, that was awful nice.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we can come feed Lucky tonight before he goes to bed.
Twice a day. Early in the morning and once in the afternoon.
Yeah, in the morning.
So tomorrow morning we gotta feed Luck.
Somebody.
Name Pap?
What's the name of this farm, Pap? He's wanting to know.
Clover Hill Farm.
What did I say?
Well, just don't. I want to call it the Pope Farm instead of Clover
Well,
Hill.
okay, you can. We'll name it that then.
Pope Farm.
Okay.
I hope you ain't getting that on video.
No.
Why is there hay in here?
Alright, somebody needs to hold that for Pap.
Oh,
I'm sure it's getting heavy.
Hi guys, I'm in here with Lucky. I've been making him drink. Right here's Lucky.
Let it cool just a minute.
I think that's a have to like.
Having kind
You
of
see
problems.
Lucky?
Yeah.
You see old Lucky?
You'll sit, look down in there.
Lucky.
That's the milk. That's milk.
Milk for Lucky, yeah.
That's milk.
Hi, Lucky.
And what's Pat putting on it?
He's putting a top on the milk.
Nipple.
What's it called?
Nipple? Mm-hmm. It's this. He's putting a nipple on the top, and then Lucky is gonna sip the milk, and then you gotta drink it all, and then we'll feed him next in the evening after dinner, I think.
I think that's a have to
Is
like.
that old cowbell?
Well, I'll talk to you later. My camera died. Bye bye. Hi guys, it's me Noah again. I just want to tell you, thanks for watching my videos. Please don't forget to hit a like and subscribe. Thanks.